Today I'm going to use up some apples in my air fryer with baking. So add some flour to the bowl and some baking powder, along with quite a bit of sugar, some butter, softened preferably, and 4 eggs. Mix it up. You can do this manually, or you can use an electric whisk, whatever's easiest for you, and whisk it until it's all combined. Then into greased bowls for the air fryer, add a layer of the cake batter. Smooth it out. Then add a layer of your sliced peeled apples. These had been covered and mixed with a little bit of lemon juice to stop them going brown. It's apple season here and we kinda needed to use some up, so this is a new recipe I was trying. So in the middle of the cake is the apples, and then you place a layer of the batter again on the top. The recipe is actually designed for like a big tray that you would normally put in your oven, but obviously I'm adapting it to try and use the air fryer since it's more economical at the moment. On the top, add a bit of Demerara sugar. I probably should have added more in hindsight, but I just did a little layer. Place these dishes that fit into your air fryer. Mine is the Ninja Jewel. Turn it to the bake setting. I never normally adjust the temperature. The recipe actually says 40 to 45 minutes, but because the air fryer does it a bit quicker, I decided I'd be better to start at 30 because it can always increase. So hit the match function for both sides and off we go. A minute to go, we'll just have a check. Yeah, still a little bit raw. Another 10 minutes and we'll check again. This was the smaller dish and it's perfectly cooked. The bigger dish still needed a little bit longer. The thing with air fryer cooking, you're not really going for looks, I find. So this is the sponge. It was really tasty, and we had some caramel ice cream which we had with it. Well worth a try, and it worked really well in the air fryer. I'll leave the recipe in the description box below. Like and subscribe, folks. Thanks very much.